Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. I wanted to bring you this car today. It's a 64 Corvette, and the owner wound up in a ditch at 70 miles an hour, which broke everything. I mean, frame was unrepairable, it was so bad. But the body bucket, you know, the fiberglass bucket that you actually sit in, was broke everywhere. The front end was knocked off of the car. You know, I finally got the fiberglass work done under the car to make the body bucket back in its 100% condition. And we set it, I've got it set on a street shop frame, LS3, 5-speed automatic, you know, rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes, all that good stuff. And we're getting ready to mount the front end. I'm gonna hang the doors today, get a real nice door gap on the back end of it, and then we'll set the front end on it and get the front gap. But, you know, don't ever think, folks, that your car is unrepairable, because we can do it. And you know where that's at, right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.